again. It is Wednesday, the 29th day of the month of November. It's the last day of the month of November, and we're right at the King's Cross station where we are heading out again this morning, going into the Hammersmith. A very busy platform as usual. My name is Olami Koiki, and this is one of the most busiest stations you can ever think of as well. When you think about traveling around London, at some point you will get to King's Cross, where you can also get from there to Paddington. From Paddington you can hit down to London Heathrow Airport as well. Like I always say, follow the platform so that we can take you around. We can tell you as many of what is happening. It is the Wednesday, November 29, right inside the London King's Cross as I'm heading into the Hammersmith.